Want to activate an eSIM on your Google Pixel 10a? In this video, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process. Let's get started. First, unlock your Google Pixel 10a and open the Settings app.
Next, tap on Network and Internet to access your mobile network settings.
Now, tap SIMs and choose the option to add a new SIM. Select Download an eSIM to start setting up your digital SIM. Next, scan the eSIM QR code provided by your mobile network operator. Make sure the QR code is clearly visible. After scanning the QR code, your eSIM profile will begin downloading. Keep your phone connected to the internet and wait for the installation to complete. Once the eSIM has been installed, turn it on. Your phone should then connect to the mobile network. If you're using two SIMs, select your new eSIM as the preferred SIM for mobile data. Now test your eSIM. Make a call. Send a text message. Open a website using mobile data. Make sure everything is working. If your eSIM isn't working, check the SIM settings and restart your phone. Contact your mobile network provider for assistance.
And that's it. Your eSIM is now ready to use on your Google Pixel 10a. If this guide helped you, please like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more mobile tutorials.